It is Wednesday, March 22nd. Exactly. All right, we got in this yarn and I'm excited about it. It's beautiful from Lang. It is called Celeste. It's got some sparkle and some variation. And the reason I haven't talked about it yet is because I ordered books to go with it that had many patterns in it, and the patterns were beautiful and they were knit and or crocheted. I have a whole booklet coming, but you can also buy these online as well. So, but I hadn't wanted to show it until I had something to show it with. But these are just two suggestions of what they have. The books are coming. So this is just a beautiful top, has the slit sides and the two pockets, the beautiful V-neck. I love this top. I think it's absolutely great. So that's one of the patterns, and this is just another pattern with a little longer sleeve, another slit, a little more closed at the neck, but really, really beautiful. So the patterns, the reason I bought this yarn was because the pattern support was so great. So they're shipping me the books as of, I called them today. I'm like, where are the books? So anyway, they're shipping them, so they should be here. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you the yarn. So this is Lang Celeste, and it is $10.95 a ball. It's a cotton and polyester. That's all the glittery stuff, right? It is 220 yards, and it is a sport weight. So just if you can see all the color changes and the sparkle that's in there, I think they're absolutely beautiful. This one is sort of a gold, gorgeous. Then we have this one is sort of a mauve, kind of a mauve purple, very quiet though. This is mauve. Oh, upside down. Mauve. Nope. Was right the first time. Mauve. I'm looking at it backwards in the thing. This one is a terracotta. Gorgeous. I'm not sure how much these patterns take. We can look it up, but I'm sure this is probably like 4 or 5. So somewhere in that category, 6-ish. This one is olive. Beautiful. I just think it's such a pretty, pretty yarn. This one is navy. Love it. Has a little pinky purple in there. This one is peach. Peach. Peach with the gold. Love it. This one is like a neutral. They call it white, but it's not exactly white, but it's beautiful. So most have gold, but this mauve and the navy have silver. So the rest are gold. So the cool colors have silver and the warm colors have gold. So I love that yarn. $10.95 a ball. Boom. It'll be great. So come in. We'll look for patterns for you. The pattern books should come next week. Well, yeah, what's today? Wednesday. Maybe by Friday, but probably next week. So I don't know if you all noticed over the last several months, this little pinky on this hand was drooping and I couldn't lift it back up. I had jammed it when I was babysitting for Turner and the kids at the end of January. I jammed it on my own hand. I hyperextended this knuckle right here. I hyperextended it back and I thought I was going to die. I was hanging up a towel and I jammed it on my own thing. Don't even ask me how I did it. So I packed it in ice that day and I took some arnica and I was like, okay. And then so the swelling went down, the bruising went away, and it really didn't hurt, but it wouldn't straighten like this. It just stayed bent. Don't ask me why I didn't go to the orthopedic doctor then, just because I was busy, stupid, I don't know. But finally, as it hung around, this knuckle became very irritated and sore. Plus, it hanging down all the time, became annoying. So I was constantly lifting it up to hold it up. Anyway, long story. So I finally go to the orthopedist today. What was I thinking? What an idiot. Don't wait to go to the doctor. Anyway, they took an x-ray of my finger, and what? I have broken a little tiny piece. There's 2 little bones at the end of your little finger, and there's tendons. One tendon goes from here to here, and one tendon goes from here to here. One pulls your finger up, and one lets your finger go down. So the one that pulled your finger back up, that tendon, that little corner of that bone broke off. So the tendon and the bone are just floating out there, that little piece. And so now they've hyperextended it back the other, or they've extended it up the other way like this. This is a cast that has to stay on for the next 6 weeks, just like if I broke my arm. Crazy. And I have to be careful that I don't pull it off in the middle of the night. So tonight I'm going to tape these 2 fingers together. God forbid it come off, because if it comes off and this little finger drops back down, I have to start over with the 6 weeks. So pray for me that I can keep this little thing on my finger, or another one just like it when they replace it, for the next 6 weeks. Oh, and by the way, it has to stay dry. Okay. I was like, what? You idiot. I could have been done with this. I could have done it all winter. So stupid. Anyway. All right. So I have a broken finger. And let me just tell you, I'm 70 years old. I have never, let me knock on wood, I have never broken a bone. Never. Until now. I guess that's why I didn't realize it was broken. All right. That's my sob story for the day. Trying to stay optimistic about it, though. Help me keep this on. Give me some good prayers, good energy, so I can keep my little cast on and make sure my finger grows back together. My only other option then is surgery with a pin. Woo! Don't want to do that. All right. I'm going to make it work. I said, don't you worry. I will make this work. All right. Okay. Enough. Too much information. That was Mitten. More information than necessary. All right. Remember my Celeste. And have a great evening. Tonight's my group. And oh my gosh, Nancy made homemade Bailey's Irish cream. Homemade. What? It is deadly and delicious. So, oh my God, who knew you could make Bailey's Irish cream at home? Delish. All right, that's it. Enough. I will see you tomorrow.